Hi guys, Anatola from Audio Direct, and the GMC Yukon Denali is finished, and check this out people. Look at the size of that screen. Magnificent screen real estate. So let's start this monster up. Look how quickly that thing boots up. That is incredible. So I mean, features. Really and truly, we're going to have time to go through everything, to be perfectly honest. As you can see, you've got the full function for Bluetooth, for voice, for music. You've got the AC controls, lovely picture of the car there as well. Make sure we're in park as we rev it, and you see the rev counter jump up there as well. Try and get a good position for you. Navigation and preloaded. Again, just look how quickly that thing boots up. I mean, that's ridiculous. You got this GPS antenna here, which picks up pinpoint navigation. Really, really cool. Music, again, we'll just turn this down so we don't infringe any copyright. And yes, of course, everything is off the steering controls there as well. As you can see, we can toggle tracks off the other side and volume off this side as well. And console, now this actually brings up the original interface for the car. Pretty cool, huh? So you've got the best of all worlds, and that just flicks through to the new interface. Video, so tons of USB inputs on this car as well, and this will grab whatever's preloaded either in the hard drive or on the USB itself. So if you have nothing's going to play, of course, but you also have picture-in-picture as well. Just loads and loads of options in here. So you've got hard drive, you've also got whatever's on SD card, and also whatever's on USB as well, and AUX input too. So just so many features. And of course, put it into reverse and you're going to get the reverse camera, and you can see nice and clear. Of course, a picture the camera can never capture what the eye can see. So we're really happy. This one took a lot of work actually, but all in all, another Premier Service customer is going to be over the moon as we drop this off this evening. Long day, long nights, hard at work. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for watching yet another presentation for a Premier Service by Audio Direct.